Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change temperature units in your Hyundai Creta. First, locate your vehicle's infotainment system. You'll need to access the main settings menu to begin. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. We'll guide you through each part of the process, ensuring you can easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius for your climate control display. To start, ensure your Hyundai Creta's ignition is on. Then, find the Setup or Settings button on your infotainment system and press it. This will open the main menu. From there, you'll typically see options like Display or General Settings. Select the appropriate tab to move forward and access the unit customization options. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Unit Selection or Temperature Unit. This is commonly found within the Display or General categories. Tap on this option to reveal the available choices. You will see the current temperature unit displayed, which could be either Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending on your vehicle's current setting. Now, simply select Celsius from the list of temperature unit options. After making your choice, confirm it by pressing the OK or Apply button on the screen. You should see the climate control display immediately update to reflect the new unit. Take a moment to verify that the temperature reading is now shown in Celsius, completing the change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.